Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about the market and specifically, more importantly, about Vechain. Where has Vechain gone in the last week or the last month? Really not much of price movement across the board when it comes to Vechain, and we're going to take a little bit of a look into the partnerships, the utility, and to where Vechain could be going next. If you see here, in the last year alone, you saw Vechain actually at one point reach all the way up to about 25 cents. What was that? April about 20th. And it looks like about a 237% increase over the last year altogether. But if we take a look at the last day, only about a 1% increase when the market's up 5 to 6%. If we take a look at the last week, about a 13% decrease. The last month being about a 7.5% decrease. You can see as to why people with Vechain are currently kind of upset about their current standing. You know, we saw a nice price point September 5th to 15 cents. We actually saw another price point November 8th to 18 cents. And now at this 7-cent price point, almost dropping below that, a lot of people are kind of starting to get a little upset about the price of Vechain. And I want to jump into that with you guys today. So the first thing we'll see is that Vechain, you know, we've always talked about this. Vechain likes to follow Bitcoin. It is not separated from the rest of the crypto market from what we've seen. And with Bitcoin struggling very, very heavily, Vechain may not be a very, very good coin for the short term. I think this is going to be more of a long-term coin, a long-term hold. So the first thing we're going to see here is Bitcoin price surging 43K, but traders warn that real pain is due for altcoins. So obviously, Vechain does follow Bitcoin, but at the same time, it's an altcoin. So we may see pain and more pain for Vechain than we are kind of hoping for here. The real pain yet to come on altcoins equally. You know, we see a lot of alts look like they have a little bounce in coming to suck people in before a nasty leg down. Many retesting areas they already bounced off after forming parabolic rises, but have huge areas below where supporters were really never built. He warned Twitter just actually on Tuesday. So the real pain is yet to come. Tuesday is, the day that a lot of us are kind of seeing problems across the market. We have seen, a nice little price increase across the board, but for the most part, like I said, altcoins are going to struggle in the next couple of weeks if the TA and the technical analysis that a lot of us are doing does come to light. So $4.9 billion market cap, under $5 billion right now. What's Vechain doing to make themselves grow, not just, price-wise, but as a coin or as a platform itself? So we are pleased to welcome Shan, a premium ginseng snack producer in China, to the Vechain toolchain platform. Using our technology, producers can share their stories, demonstrate quality, and enhance brand perception. Vechain Thor transforms data into value. So this is a great thing to see. We're continuing to see new utility, new partnerships, and that's exactly what Vechain is built on. If we continue to look farther, we also see Vechain and Stably partnership. This is a huge partnership, and it talks a little bit more about it here with the VEUSD stablecoin launching on Vechain. Today, we are proud to announce the launch of VEUSD, a USD-backed stablecoin on the Vechain public blockchain, the first product released as part of our ongoing collaboration with the Vechain ecosystem. Since the launch of the Ethereum mainnet in 2018, Stably has been setting new standards for transparency and usability in the stablecoin industry, and we're excited to bring those same standards to the Vechain ecosystem with the first stablecoin in the world to be issued on Vechain. So they talk a little bit more about what is VEUSD, and they talk a little bit more on how to mint and redeem VEUSD, and then why Vechain and why VEUSD necessary for Vechain, etc., etc. A definitely great Medium post here if you want to learn a little bit more about the Stably Vechain partnership, and it's just another great reason as to why people are excited about the future of Vechain. There are a lot of great utility that is continuing to build on Vechain. If we actually take a look here at this investorobserver.com article, it talks about, is Vechain VET worth the risk Sunday? So this was on Sunday, January 9th, not too long ago, and we're seeing more and more people talk a little bit about why there could be some low risk and high risk involved with Vechain. So if you're looking for a long-term hold, 5 to 6, maybe 5 to 10 years realistically, you aren't going to have near as much risk due to the market always, in the past at least, going up within a 5-year span. We've always seen the market recuperate, recover, and reach new all-time highs. Not every altcoin does, but Vechain's a very solid enough ecosystem that it could definitely continue to see great gains over the 5 to 10 year period. There is higher risk though in a short-term trade with Vechain, in my opinion, and that's kind of what we're seeing here. So Vechain is definitely a coin if you're looking to do long-term worth getting into. If it's looking to do short term, Vechain may not see short term gains for another 6 to 7 months. We may continue to stabilize or even see decreases before the end of this year. I do think by the end of this year, though, we can see Vechain going higher, and the all-time highs are going to be coming for the rest of the market. And I'm going to talk a little bit about price predictions here in just a minute. But before we do so, I want to jump over to BlockFi. Because if you guys haven't already, BlockFi is a great way to get started on earning passive income with crypto. There are certain coins that you just can't stake yet, including Chainlink. So if you actually take a look here at Chainlink, if you have 10,000 Chainlink for 5 years, you'll actually earn $1,600. It's not a ton, but it's much, much better than what you earn in a traditional banking account, or much better than just holding your link in a wallet that is not gaining you anything. So just keep in mind Chainlink, as well as so many different other options. If you see here, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, DAI, BAT, Uni, they're all here and available for you guys to take a look at. But your crypto can actually earn up to 9.5% APY with a BlockFi interest account or a BIA account. Interest occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reasons to wait, obviously, as well. If you jump down into the description of today's video, it will have a BlockFi link down in there, and you'll actually get up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up using my referral code. So thank you again for that support. And I want to jump back over to Vechain and talk now a little bit about those price predictions. We were really kind of, mentioning Vechain could have a rough short term. When it comes to long term, though, by the end of the year specifically, I do see Vechain easily reaching farther and farther to about 30 to 40 cents. I know in the past I've said $1. And don't get me wrong, I really, really did expect the crypto market to do a little bit better in late 2021. A lot of things came up, a lot of different kind of manipulation across the board, across the market, kind of tricked everybody. And that's something that, gets us better over time. When we look at TA, we're not going to know about everything coming in the near future. When I looked at TA again, it's looking like a 30 to 45 cent, like I said, price point by the end of the year, which is still a very solid price increase from the current price point. I will say, though, by the end of the bull market, or really realistically, I want to say by the end of the next 5 to 10 years, we could easily see Vechain pushing above $1. And that's something I'm excited for, because above $1 from here is over quite a bit, literally over a way over a 10x, way over 11x, as you continue forward. You can see that Vechain has a lot of potential. So I'm just going to continue to keep you guys up to date with Vechain here on the channel, as well as, we could see a different kind of manipulation in the market and see if Vechain does have, potential for short-term gains here in the near future, as well as, those long-term gains that we are trusting ourselves with. I will say as well, if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with crypto. And also follow me on Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. We have a lot of giveaways going on and try to keep you up to date with crypto every single day on Twitter. I have been talking a lot about Chainlink on Twitter and YouTube, so I'm actually giving away 100 Chainlink as well. All you have to do is retweet and follow me on Twitter to be entered, Crypto Profit YT, like I said, and then retweet this specific tweet. And there's less than 300 people right now, so you have a great opportunity. Hopefully you guys win. Like I said, the greatest supporters are you guys. So thank you again. I'll see you all in the next one.